So ayan guys, this time papunta na naman kami kina Jingle, kapatid ko. Maglalakwat siya na naman kami ni Daisy. At kasama ko pala ang hubby ko this time kasi wala siyang pasok. Dito na kami sa bahay ng kapatid ko guys. Hintay ko si kinukuha niya si Daisy. Sakyan, ayun. Kita niyo yung snow guys, nagsusto ngayon. Yan, tandaan pa yun. Yan, kinuha ni Ate Yana si Daisy guys. Gustong gusto ni Ate Yana si Daisy.
Daisy's adorable.
Kakagising lang niya sa nap niya.
So cute.
Yeah. Hi Conrad, I missed you. How are you? I missed you. How are you? Huh? Linga-linga mo ka? Huh? Guys, nakaspo na si Conrad.
Natukan mo namin. Kain na. May kanin pa doon saka at may bahaw dito. Sarap yan.
Tingnan mo si Kun na marunong na.
Kun's like a genius.
Yan guys, second try. Second try. Wow, very good, Conrad. So, syempre guys, magkakain tayo. Dumating lang, pumunta lang Toronto para kumain.
Naka-grapefruit.
Yeah? So, mayroon tas Asian. Then, yung nagluto si Jingle guys, Asian curry. Luto niya, Asian curry. Pero, nakakain na kami, kaya kantin na naman. Tapos, may roasted chicken sa Costco.
Hindi, niluto yun ng bayaw mo.
Ha?
Niluto ng bayaw mo.
Sino ba yun?
Hindi mo ko bayaw pala. Kasal na kami, Jela.
Sinong bayaw ko ito?
Kasal na kami, Jela.
Guys, si Conrad ayaw mag-share ng Cheerios niya. Nagagalit siya. You say please, please. You go like this. Say please, Kuya Konkon. Can you give some to Daisy, Kuya Konkon, please? Can you give some? Can you share? Luyang bata. Can you give some to Daisy? Come, dali, Daisy, come. Tingnan mo si Daisy. Come here. Come close. Can you share to Daisy, please? Please. Kaloy isang bata. Con, can I have some for Daisy? Con, please. Please, Kuya Konkon. Tinagbo. Yan, guys. Dito sa kamay ko yung kay Daisy. What do you say to Kuya Konkon? You say, thank you, Kuya Konkon, thank you. You say, thank you. Oh, here. Here, Daisy. May bagong baby, guys. Say hi to baby. Ay, tush. 1 week old yan, Mamila, di ba? Si Adea. Adea pangalan niya, guys. Ay, tush, gutom naman.
Gutom na siya. That's not yours.
Nagutom na.
That's not yours.
Anak to ng kapatid ng brother-in-law ko, guys.
Anak to ng bayaw.
Easy, bye-bye to Kuya Conrad. Bye, Kuya Conrad. We're gonna go home now.
Say bye, baby Daisy.
Kuya Conrad, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hanggang bata nagkaling. Oh. Hug Daisy, because we're gonna go now. Hug Daisy,
When it's
Guys, papunta na kami sa sakyan. Grabe ang kapal pala ng snow. Well, it's not actually that bad, yeah. But, it's just, for sure, there's gonna be a lot of accidents on the road and in the highway, for sure. Ganyan, guys, ganyan mga sasakyan pag natabunan ng snow. Hindi pa nga to, tingnan mo, yung daan, puro snow lahat. Madulas to, kasi kasi powdery siya, fresh snow. So, dahan-dahan lang kami pa uwi. Ililinisin pa to ni husband tong sasakyan namin.
If you
You should meet an elephant of you. And what would you say? Say, good morning, elephant.
So ayan guys, naririnig nyo naman si Baby Daisy iyak ng iyak. Ayaw na ayaw niya talaga na nasa car seat. Guys, ganyan ang itsura ng road na yan. This one is actually not that bad. Sorry, medyo shaky. After mag-snow guys, umuulan naman. Pag nag-drop yung temperature ng freezing temperature, maano to, mas delikado kasi nagiging ice siya. Mas madulas. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang yung ibang mga sasakyan sa pag-drive. Tapos itong sasakyan ko guys, may safety features to siya. Kaya ako nagustuhan tong sasakyan na to. Pakita ko sa inyo. So itong sasakyan ko guys, may 4 na gears siya. So snow, which kung anong ginagamit namin ngayon, may eco. Yung bilog, yung parang regular gear at ayan tawag niya, mahal. And then sports, which is kung gusto mong medyo mabilis-bilis yung takbo. And then ang sasakyan ko guys, may winter tires to. So usually may all season tires or winter tires. So pag winter season, pinapalitan ko yung sasakyan ko ng winter tires para for safety reason, para hindi madulas. Hindi masyadong madulas, para medyo may grip siya pag madulas yung road. Tapos when summertime comes, tsaka naman pinapalitan ko ulit ng all season tires. Guys, na-stuck kami dito sa may ramp papasok ng na-stuck kami dito sa ramp papasok ng highway. Ang daming nag-flashing cars nila. So we don't know yet kasi hindi namin makikita yung dulo. Yan na, nagpa-flashing. Meron din doon. Tapos yung isa, kita nitong sasakyan na to. Yan yan. As in completely off yung sasakyan niya. So we don't know what's going on yet. Tapos yung blue guys na may flashing, salt truck yan. So yan yung nagsusalt ng mga roads dito, highways, streets, ganyan.
If he does it, I'm gonna do it.
Tingnan mo yung isang truck guys, delikado tong gagawin niya. Mag-squeeze talaga siya in between itong nagpa-flash na sasakyan, tapos itong sasakyan na to. Yan. So itong truck na yan, mag-squeeze siya. He's gonna try to squeeze in. I don't know.
It's just that one car.
Tsaka buti na lang pala guys yung car ko is all-wheel drive. Kaka-mention lang ng husband ko, nakalimutan ko. All-wheel drive pala yung sasakyan ko. So mas safer talaga siya. Kaya guys, mas gusto ko ng kahit gumastos ng medyo mahal sa sasakyan, basta naman yung safety nyo. Ayan, but we'll see kung ma-afford pa namin ang medyo may price na sasakyan kasi alam mo na, iba na yung priorities natin yan. Pero yung sasakyan ko guys, okay pa to. Okay pa to. Magsi 6 years na to sa akin, itong sasakyan na to. Ang tawag ko sa sasakyan na to, pinangalan ko Alexis. So guys, we're still stuck. I wanna show the license plate. So we're still stuck. Ayan, yung nagda-drive ng pickup truck na yan, kita mo yung lalaking naglalakad doon. Bumaba siya kasi titingnan niya siguro kung anong meron sa unahan at bakit hindi umaandar. The traffic is not moving. So yeah, didn't take Yang was Bayview. Yeah, hindi kami nagyang kasi sobrang traffic yung Yang red. Di Miss Bayview, pero stuck me. Gadyaning andar sa gamay. Mag-ask ako. Guys, mag-ask ako kung anong meron. Ay, di ko man buksan mo nga. Guys, mag-aas na ako.
See, we're stuck.
Pero, yung husband ko, sobrang mahihain. Ayaw niya buksan yung bintana. Guys, itong sasakyan nasa harapan kami. Nag-move na yung traffic. Hindi kami makamove kasi nagsaslide yung sasakyan nila, guys. Tingnan na, wala siguro tong winter tires kasi nakikita ko masyado oh my god, masyado siyang yan masyadong manipis yung nila ayan, tinulungan sila nung truck nasa harapan.
Yeah, now you're stuck because stupid ass guys in the front were helping her.
Guys, kaya pala hindi makapasok sa highway kasi ang kapal ng snowbank gawa nung nagplow nung ng highway. Tapos may accident sa unahan tingnan niyo yung ito ang cleaner nila para makapasok sa highway. Tapos dito sa unahan may accident. Ayan yan, dalawang sasakyan na stuck. Yan.
Get to the collectors, bro.
So guys, kita niyo yung mga truck na yan nandyan sa harapan namin, yung mga blue ilaw. Yan yung mga salt truck. So lahat ng lanes may ganyan. Ha? Ha? What?
Snow plow, they plow.
Yeah, they're plowing and there's snow. I mean, snow, pinaplow nila at the same time they're releasing, salt. Right? So it's all in the lanes and you cannot overtake. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-overtake, guys. Kasi bawal yan sa law. Yan. Kaya ang bagal ng namin, ng andar namin kasi hindi pwedeng mag-overtake Dapat behind ka lang sa kanila.